Hi folks, this is Ryan with K.Fair Landscape Design, and I'm here with the Enviroscape LA crew here in Manhattan Beach, and we planted this hillside about, I don't know, a month and a half ago, and this was a barren hillside where there was obviously nothing growing here, and then when we amended the soil and started irrigation, we had a lot of weed seeds that popped up. So rather than going in and picking everything out by hand and using all of that manual labor time, we're testing 4 different organic weed killing products that are safe for humans and animals to see what works in this environment. So our first product here, we put Dr. Earth, gave a nice spray about 2 feet around. As you can see, it looks like it almost encouraged the weed growth a little bit. There's a little bit of dead here, but didn't really do so much. Our second product is Avenger, and there isn't any new weed growth, maybe a tiny bit here. Looks like it kind of suffocated some of the this area, but more than likely it didn't work. Third product, this guy here, and this is pretty crazy. This is EcoSmart. It actually looked like it encouraged the weed growth. So although there's some dead here, we heavily sprayed this area, and as you can see, there's a lot of new weeds growing here. But what's great is that we actually do have a product that works, which is absolutely amazing. So this product here is called Burnout. You can purchase this stuff online and in some big box stores, but as you can see, this product just fully took out the weeds. It's just unbelievable. So, rather than going to the big box stores and buying something like Roundup that's going to be actually very dangerous for you to spray, it's dangerous for the wildlife in this area or your dogs and cats, you can pick a product like Burnout to come in and just heavily spray an area and let the weeds die, and you just can rake up whatever is left of that dead material. So this is Ryan with K.Fair Landscape Design and Enviroscape LA team. When you think of sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.